If you suffer from headaches, then you know they can be, well, a real pain. They can be caused by tension in the neck or shoulders or the back. Often they can be caused by stress, and some people suffer from migraines, which can sometimes go on for days at a time and be very debilitating. So today I'd like to guide you through a short sequence of yoga poses and stretches which I hope can help. Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel, Yoga with Julia Wylie. I'm Julia. I hope you can subscribe to my channel if you find it useful. Click on the subscribe button below. Also, if you choose the little bell symbol and pick where it says all, you'll get updated whenever I come out with new videos. So start off sitting with a nice straight spine, cross-legged or anywhere you feel comfortable. We're going to do some alternate nostril breathing, just to take some nice deep breaths in and out through the body and to balance out the left and the right sides. If you bring up your right thumb and close the right nostril, now inhale through the left nostril, nice and slowly, full breath. Close the other nostril with your fingers. Release your thumb, exhale through the right. And then inhale through the right. Close, exhale left. Again, inhale left. Close, exhale right. Inhale right. Close, exhale left. Again, inhale left. Close, exhale right. And last time, inhale right. Close and exhale left. This can help you feel really soothed and calmed. I find it very useful when I'm going through any times of stress. And now to stretch out our necks, if you bring your left hand up to the top of your head, just let the weight of your arm carry your head gently over. You should have a lovely stretch down the right side of the neck here. Keeping the breathing still nice and deep. And swap over to the other side. Lovely deep breathing. Enjoy that sensation of stretch. And release that. On an inhale now, reach up and back with the shoulders. Look up with your head. Exhale down and forwards. Drop the chin to the chest. Inhale, shoulders are up and back, look up. Exhale down and forwards. And this time bring your arms up as well as you inhale, reach. And exhale all the way down. Now I'm going to show you my favorite pose for getting rid of headaches. You come over onto hands and knees and bring the very top of your head down onto the floor, onto your mat. And then very gently trace an imaginary line from the middle of your head over to one ear, lowering that ear towards the mat, and then slowly take it back up to the middle of the head and lower down towards the other ear. Again, take it back up to the middle and then bring it forward so that your forehead is on the mat. It's like a little head massage. Roll so you're back to the middle of your head. Again, take it over towards one ear and slowly up. Roll to the other ear. Bring it up and roll onto your forehead. Then walk your hands out and ease yourself into child's pose. Take a few deep breaths here. You might have your eyes gently closed. And relax into the pose. Ease yourself up onto hands and knees. Bring your hands underneath the shoulders. Now as you inhale, come into what I call a wolf pose, looking like a wolf howling at the moon. And exhale into a cat cow, pressing that belly button up into your spine. Big inhale, flowing into the wolf. Exhale, cat. One more time into the wolf. Exhale into the cat. And coming onto your knees now. We're going to do the lion breath. Now this looks very strange, but it does work. So you take a big breath in, and as you exhale, you're going to make a big lion scary face, okay? So big inhale, exhale. Okay, inhale again. Exhale. I know it looks funny, but believe me, try it. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, one more time. Make it a good one. Inhale. Exhale. Well done. If that doesn't cheer you up, nothing. All right, we're going to do the fallen angel now. So come up onto hands and knees. Bring your arms up overhead. Stretch long. And as you exhale, take the arms out to the side. And really lifting the chest. Drop into a little bit of a back bend. Inhale. Reach up. Exhale, keep looking up as you drop into that fallen angel pose. Again, inhale, reaching. Exhale, take it back. And just stay here now a couple of breaths. Really opening the chest up to the ceiling. Enjoying this wonderful stretch. And release. Well done. We're going to come now onto our tummies and do the cobra pose. It's another one that opens up the chest, the shoulders. So ease yourself very slowly and gently down onto your tummy. Have the hands underneath the shoulders and press yourself up. Depending on your flexibility, you could come up quite high or not so high. That's fine. Just listen to the body. Really press the shoulders back, imagining lifting up the chest. Look up towards the ceiling. And breathe. Quieten the mind here. Imagine just softening the thoughts. And then ease back into a very gentle child's pose. Your hips back towards your heels. Let your head rest down. And just bring your hands wherever is comfortable for you, in front, beside your head, or back towards your feet. And then we're going to very gently and quietly come over onto our backs, keeping that lovely feeling of quietude in your mind. Ease yourself down slowly onto the mat. Bring the knees in one at a time and hug them into your body. Let yourself rock side to side gently a couple of times. And then slowly stretch the legs out. Make yourself very comfortable on the floor. Rock your legs back and forward a couple of times. Adjust your shoulders and your arms so you're very comfortable. And then press one ear down towards the mat and the other. Have your eyes gently closed now. Again, press one ear down. It's another nice neck stretch. And the other. And bring the head back to the center. Now scrunch your face in really tightly, all into the middle of the face. And then relax. So we're going to inhale, scrunch. Exhale, relax. One more time. Scrunch it all in. And relax. Now press the shoulders into the mat, squeezing them behind you. And relax them. Lift them up towards the ceiling. And let them go. Bring your arms a couple of inches off the mat now and scrunch your fists up tightly. And then spread the fingers wide. And then let your arms drop down. Press your belly button down in towards the mat tightly. And relax. Lift the chest towards the ceiling, squeezing the muscles. And relax. Now squeeze the buttocks really tightly. And let them go. Now take one leg up off the mat and flex the foot. Push away. Spread the toes wide if you can. point the foot. Now tighten every muscle down that whole leg. Inhale, and then as you exhale, let it drop to the floor. And then take up the other leg. Again, flex the foot towards you, push out through the heel, tight muscles, spread the toes if you can. And then point the toes. Now tighten every muscle in that leg really tightly. Inhale, exhale, let it drop. And then let your head just come into a comfortable position. Close the eyes gently and imagine soothing waves of light just flowing through the body. Imagine them flowing through the brain and soothing and sweeping out any tension. Feel it flowing down your neck, cooling and soothing, flowing into your shoulders and arms, down your arms to your hands, and flowing out through your fingers into the ground. Imagine this beautiful healing light flowing down into your heart, wrapping around any emotions, soothing and relaxing, letting go of any negativity. Feel the light flow down into your internal organs, relaxing them all, down into your hips, into your legs, your knees, your calves, your feet and your toes, and imagine it flowing out through the soles of your feet. So a nice, flowing, soothing, healing energy. Imagine it carrying out any tensions, any toxins, any last residues of that headache. Just letting it all go. Slowly bring your attention back into the room. You might want to stretch your arms out any way that feels good. Bend your knees gently one by one into the chest. Hug them in. Let yourself rock side to side. And then rock all the way over onto one side. Now you don't want to come up quickly. You want to ease yourself very slowly. I hope you're feeling a lot better now. Do use this video whenever you want to release that headache or just remember some of these poses that we've done today. Let's end with a big stretch overhead. Inhaling here and exhaling down. And one more time. Big inhale, reach. And exhale down into Namaste position. Namaste everyone. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope to see you again soon. Please leave your comments below and subscribe if you haven't already done so if you'd like to have further updates whenever I come out with new videos. Bye for now.